Good morning student. Today we are going to take up another topic, that is historical background of psychological disorder. So children, in this we are going to discuss about the three phases, that is ancient, middle age and modern age. Each phase has used different approach to deal with psychological disorder. Now children, talking about the first phase, that is ancient. So it is believed that in ancient theory, when people used to show illnesses or psychological disorder, it was considered that the cause of illness was supernatural forces, evil spirits and devils. As earlier there was no advancements in the technology, so the people who did not know the scientific reason, they used to believe that the cause of illness was supernatural forces. It means the people who showed abnormalities in their behavior, it is due to the supernatural forces. Now children, during the ancient times, the treatment to psychological disorder was done by Ojha, Saman, exorcism was used. Now children, talking about Ojha was a person who used to give medicines. Now children, it was believed that the Ojha had a contact with the supernatural forces, and it was believed that by chanting the mantra, the supernatural forces had contact with Ojha. So children, during the ancient time, the treatment which was given to the people who showed abnormalities in their behavior or psychological disorder was not appropriate. So children, in the ancient phase, another approach was developed which was called biological approach, or another name of the biological approach was known as organic approach. Now this approach, it holds that the body behavior is linked to the brain. So the major cause of the psychological disorder was when the brain does not function in a proper manner. So children, in biological approach, the treatment was done by analyzing the brain functions either by surgery or by any other method. Now children, talking about the another approach, that is psychological approach. This was the approach that was developed in ancient times. Now this approach believes that the way the mind works and perceive things around us, it affect our feelings as well as thinking pattern. Now children, if I ask you what is the difference between biological approach and the psychological approach, as we have studied in biological approach, the more importance is given to the physiological mechanism, whereas in the psychological approach, the more importance is given to the working of the mind. Now children, talking about the history of Western civilization, as we have discussed about the three approaches, that is Asian, biological and psychological approach. Now in the period of Western civilization, the more importance was given to the organismic approach. Now this approach states that when the conflict occurs between emotions and reason, then the problem which occurs, it changes into psychological illness. So children, it means when one is told to think either from his heart or from his mind. So when people were unable to decide कि दिमाग से सोचे या दिल की सुने, so this was the reason of psychological illness. Now children, the ancient philosophers of the ancient Greece were Hippocrates, Socrates and Plato. So they have given the approach named as organismic approach. Then comes your another philosopher named as Galen and Hippocrates. Now it was believed, according to the Galen and Hippocrates, our body is made up of four humors: earth, air, fire and water. If the balance of these humor get affected, then one suffers from the psychological disorder. So children, here we are talking about earth, air, water and fire. If the imbalances was found in the four humors, then one suffered from the psychological disorders. Now children, after this comes your middle age. Now during the Middle Ages, Saint Augustine was a philosopher. He believed that the treatment which was given in the ancient times, it was inhuman to the people who suffered from a particular illness. Saint Augustine wrote about feeling, mental anguish and conflict. Now children, comes the another period which was Renaissance period. Now in this period, changes was seen in the treatment of psychological disorders. So it was believed that in this period humanity was increased. It means the people who suffer from the psychological disorders or abnormal behavior, medical treatment was given. Secondly, he believed that instead that calling the people with witches who had suffered from the psychological disorder, it would make them more disturbed. Now children, talking about the another period which was known as the age of reason of enlightenment. Now children, in this period the more importance was given to the scientific method. So children, in this period people who suffered from the psychological disorders, the treatment was given by using scientific method. Now comes your reform movement. Now in this movement, as this movement started in the 18th century, now reform of asylum were initiated in both Europe and America. Now children, reform of asylum means the Pagal Khana was reformed. Now children, during the earlier period the people were tied with chains, so this was removed in the reformed movement. So children, in this period neat and clean environment was given in hospital, and secondly deinstitutionalization took place, which means hospital providing community care was more emphasized. So children, this was the last movement, and then the transformation took place by many other philosophers.